Hi, it's Nick again, and today I've got really cool news for all our fans and for you who see me for the first time. It's an upgrade to our dental mobile photography Fill-Light MK17. The upgrade is Bluetooth remote shutter, so now you don't need your both hands to take photos. You can use it with one hand free. Come closer and show you. Let me show you how to pair the remote shutter with your phone. It's very easy. Long press on the button, and then you'll see it in your Bluetooth connections. It's called camera remote control. So you tap on it and tap pair. And it's ready to use. Just turn on your camera. You see it's working. Okay, now let's see it in action. We turn on the light. As you can see, it's super bright. And as a reminder, it's 5600K color temperature for the best dental photos. Let's take a couple of photos now. Okay, let's see the first one. Really great quality. Let's take another one. And the cool thing is that with the remote shutter you can take lots of photos in a very short time. You just press the button. You see I've got all those photos in a couple of seconds.